Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare ChatGPT with Google AI Studio, and I'm going to share with you my thoughts on it. So with the Google AI Studio, it's a prompt-based interface and it's an integrated development environment for creating, prototyping and also developing AI applications. You're gonna have like multimodal support here. You can upload images, text, videos, and also audio directly into prompts. Not only that, you're gonna have also the stream here where you can share a screen. You're gonna have webcam here, so that's very good that you can talk to Gemini live, and that's something that I very much like. Also, you're gonna have like model selection tuning. You can have the code export and in API integration. You can integrate it with Vertex AI, get access to latest models and free tier available. Now, this is really good for developers, researchers, and someone who's like fan of it. Now, the ChatGPT 5 primarily is pure trash, and I don't know when you're watching this video, but right now it's so bad. Like, it's not remembering much. It can like provide value primarily for the kind of like the chatting here, that you can like upload things, and it's going to do some work. But from my experience, like 1 year back, half a year back, it was way better comparing what is it right now. It remembered way more, and right now it's like way worse comparing what it used to be. So that's something that you have to be kind of like aware of. And that's, for example, what I perceive important for you. Now, that's pretty much it. Like ChatGPT for regular using and stuff like that, pretty good. But primarily if you want to, if you're some kind of like the developer, researcher, go with Google AI Studio, and with the share screen and webcam, that's way better. So have a great day, and goodbye.